Robert from MVP.dev, and today I'm going to help you upload your Excel data into a bubble table. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is get our Excel file. I'm using an example CRM contacts export that's got first name, last name, email, phone, and some example records here. We want to get that saved as a CSV, so save a copy. We want to change this to CSV UTF-8. I'll just add CSV at the end and save that. Okay, and the way that you can see if this is a CSV file or not is if you do a open with Notepad, you can see that it's comma separated. And now in this format, it's easy to upload it into Bubble. So first, we're going to come here and make sure you have a table already created, data type, and we have contact, and we have our email, first name, last name, phone, just like our CSV file had. Then you want to come to app data, and you want to click upload. And the type of data is going to be a contact. We want to do comma delimited, or the data delimiter. But you can also do semicolon, tab, and pipe as well. Then we want to pick a file. Pick our Excel file that we converted to CSV, right here, CSV file. And then if that comes up correctly, you should see the fields that we want to map to the table that we want to map. And then we just validate it, make sure that looks good, upload the data. It'll take a few seconds to process. Of course, the more records you have, the longer it will take. And that's done. So now we'll come here to contacts, and there we are. We have our data uploaded into our bubble table.